The Brinly 42-inch rear blade is the essential tool every landscaper and gardener should have. This tough, durable piece of equipment is perfect for leveling dirt and sand, moving gravel and mulch, and clearing snow from sidewalks and driveways. Perfectly sized to handle any grading or backfiling job. The Brinly 42-inch blade easily hooks up to any sleeve hitch, which is not included. Sleeve hitches can be purchased through the tractor manufacturer. The Brinly rear blade is easily adjusted to angle and lock 30 degrees in either direction. The heavy-duty carbon steel blade can also be rotated a full 180 degrees, giving you the option to push material instead of pulling. A rear blade can easily be used to push or pull material. Strong carbon steel construction ensures the blade can move dirt, gravel, sand, and mulch with little effort. If you're looking for a versatile multi-purpose lawn tractor attachment that you can use year-round, look no further than the Brinly 42-inch rear blade. Brinly, since 1839.